How to sign into Ring application. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store, search for the app Ring and download it. Once completion of its download, launch it. You'll be directed to this kind of interface. Now here you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on it. Now here you have to provide your email address that is linked with your account. Type in that. After you type in, click on continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on this option, forget your password, to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in. Now you will be receiving verification code in your phone number that is linked with your account. You have to type in that verification code over here. And with that, you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily sign into your Ring application. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.